Memory tags are simply values that are stored in Ignition. The values don't come from anywhere. They are specified by you during configuration. You give it a default value, and the value will only be modified if you allow somebody to write to that tag. To create a memory tag, all we have to do is right-click on the tags folder, the gateway scope folder, and we can go down and say new tag, memory tag. To create a memory tag, all we have to do is give it a name, a value, and a data type. That's really it. So if I give this the name SP, I want the data type to be a float, and I put the initial value as 95.6. The access rights here are used to control who can be allowed to actually write to that tag, whether you want to be read-only or allow anybody to read and write that value. So once I have my basic configuration of this tag set up and press OK, you'll see that the memory tag now exists in my system. The value is 95.6. That value is written to Ignition, so it will persist on Ignition restart. The only way for that value to change is if somebody was to go in here and potentially modify the value. So if I change this to, say, 105.45, and now that set point has a different value. Because this memory tag exists in the global scope, it's like a variable that's available to Ignition globally. So everybody would see the exact same value. So if one client wrote to the tag, another client would see that value as the same. So memory tags are really just variables that we can use in our system, and typically use them for set points that don't exist in PLCs, or a way of sharing information between multiple clients that are out there. So again, to create more, you just simply go right-click, create new tag, select memory tag, give it a name, whatever you want that name to be. I'm going to call this set point 2, and make it integer, put a default value of 15, press OK, and now I've got a memory tag.